Recruiting is really hard, and a lot of the work that goes into recruiting is often unseen. So here's how we use Plus to socialize recruiting metrics so everyone on the team can stay on the same page about what's going on. For any of our roles, we like to create a quick report inside of Notion with all of the key stats on a given role. Here's some data coming out of Lever, so everyone can quickly see how many people have applied, how many people are in the pipeline, and then where they are in the interview process. If I want to add a new chart to this, what I can do is go into Gem, press the snapshot button inside of Plus, and grab a snapshot of whatever chart or dashboard I care about. It looks and feels just like I'm taking a normal system screenshot, but what's actually happening is we're turning this into a Plus snapshot so we can use this information anywhere. I'll retitle this Senior Engineer Outreach from Gem. Copy this link, paste it into Notion, and now this will automatically stay up to date and we'll be able to see how many people we've been reaching out to for the senior software engineer role. If I want to, I can also take that same link, paste it into Slack, and set up an automation that allows me to send this to a given channel every Wednesday at 8 a.m. Now everyone on the team can quickly see how many people have we reached out to and how many of them are interested. If they want to, they can always come to this page, see more information. If they want to dive into the data even further, they can always click on the source document and go straight to that page inside of Lever. That's how we use Plus for recruiting. Make sure to sign up and try it out.